YouTube world, what's going on? Daryl Jones again, back with another video for y'all today. And we're in the kitchen again. You know, I like throwing out these cooking videos, but this time it's gonna be breakfast. It's gonna be quick. I'm making French toast with some turkey bacon, and I'm gonna show you how to do the French toast healthy. All right, yes, you can have bread on your diet. You can. I'm gonna say it again, you can have bread. All right, I'm gonna show you how to make it healthy. All right, so stay tuned. All right, so we're about to get started. And like I said, we're gonna make the French toast healthy today. So what we're gonna do, I said we're gonna do some turkey bacon, all right? And the best breads to use, in my opinion, for French toast, you gotta go with the sourdough bread. It holds all the ingredients in together, especially the eggs. If you use regular plain white bread, it's gonna make the bread too soft. So I don't like to use that bread too much, so sourdough is the way to go. I'll show y'all what I'm gonna do with the blueberries. You can add fruits to it. It's frozen right now, but we'll unthaw that pretty quick. We're gonna use egg whites only. For those of you who are watching your diet, don't use the eggs with don't use the ingredients with the whole eggs in it. Use the egg whites only. And of course, we got the cinnamon. Can't have French toast without the cinnamon. Sometimes I add in black pepper, sometimes I don't. Today I'm not going to. And the trusty little pan spray. Don't use too much of this, because even though it has 0 across the board, the ingredients, look, they still got oil, coconut oil, palm oil, so that could still add calories to if you're watching your diet. All right, so let's get started and we get ready to go. Have this nice little breakfast that I prepared, or you could eat it for lunch and dinner, whichever you decide. Man, you know what I almost forgot? The vanilla extract. We can't forget that. My bad, y'all. If you're gonna make French toast, you have to have vanilla extract. That's a must. All right, so I got my ingredients mixed. We got the bread ready. I'm gonna use 2 slices for y'all today. Got the cinnamon, got the egg white. It may look like a lot of cinnamon, but it's not. And now we're gonna add the vanilla. All right, so I'm just gonna open that up a little bit. And the vanilla extract is kind of expensive, so use it sparingly. Sometimes I use a little bit more than I should, but I like the flavor. Let's see. And that should do it. Now we're gonna mix it up. And during the course of this, the whole prep, you may need to add some more eggs to it. You may not, but I'm only using 2 slices today, so maybe I won't need to. The less egg you use, the more cinnamon the French toast would have. The more eggs you use, the less cinnamon flavor it'll taste. So it's basically your preference. I think I'm gonna add in some more eggs just to be on the safe side. Looks a little too rich with cinnamon. Let's see. There we go. All right. And I decided not to add the black pepper into it. All right. Pot's getting hot. Let's see. I usually cook mine on medium. Well, more than medium, on a high level. Because if it's on medium, it's gonna take too long. I'm impatient. So let's use this cooking spray. Just one quick spray. That's all you need. All right. Let's grab the breads. All right. Soak it in there. Boom, look at that. Look at that. Nice. Do a couple of flips. Stay close to the pot so it won't get messy. Right into it. Sizzle. All right, bread number 2. Couple flips. Make sure everybody gets some love with the cinnamon. Look at that. The bread is strong too. See, it's not falling apart like most breads would. All right, to the pot we go. All right, now we're gonna let that sit for at least 2 to 3 minutes on each side, depending on how high or how low you have your stove. All right, we'll be back. All right, time to flip. Let's see how it looks. Ooh, nice. Nice. Look at that. Golden brown right there. Nice. So I'm gonna leave that in there for another 2 to 3 minutes, And I may keep flipping on and off because sometimes it may look like it's cooked, and then on the inside the bread is still a little mushy. So if you gotta cook it longer, that's fine. Nothing wrong with a little crispy French toast. I like it better that way anyway. All right, so we'll be back. All right, y'all, I think this is ready. Look at this, golden brown. I'm gonna flip it over for y'all so y'all can see. Look at that. Tell me y'all won't eat this. Trust me, this is cooked. Look at that. That's ready to go. All right, see the cinnamon on that? Smell it. Y'all can't though. And this is just like I said again, it's just egg white. All right, so this is done. I'm gonna plate that. I'm gonna try to present it to y'all the best way as I could. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna lower the stove a little bit, and I'm gonna add in the turkey bacon. I'm gonna do 3 slices, and I'm not gonna clean off the pot because I like to have the taste from the cinnamon on there. All right. So I'm going with 3 slices of turkey bacon. Y'all can use regular bacon if you want. I don't eat pork, so I'm using turkey bacon. So we're gonna let that sizzle up, a minute, 2 minutes on each side. Flip it, same thing, and then we over. And then we're gonna add the fruit. Here's the trick to this. I like using blueberries instead of strawberries for my French toast. Here we go. Those are frozen right now. I'm gonna lower that stove a little bit. And the trick to this is letting the blueberries pop and let the juices come out. So when you put it on your French toast, it's like an extra syrup that's being added. All right, so I'm gonna let these cook a little bit, and I'm gonna pop a few when they get soft. And the aroma of your place will smell good too. Nothing wrong with making your place smell like blueberries and cinnamon. Look at that, but I don't know if y'all can see, but see how the blueberries are already popping? Let me see if I can take one and make it happen now. See, hold on. Let me check. Look at that. See the juices coming out? Nice. And then when you're getting ready to plate that, it will just go all over your French toast. And it will be a little thick, but it's okay because remember, you're going to add some more syrup to that anyway. But that's what I like to do. I don't like to just put in the fruits and then try to pick it up one by one. Blueberries cook pretty fast. Look at that. So I'm going to let this cook a little bit and I'll be right back. And I'm going to show y'all how it reduced a little bit. Alright, y'all, look at this. Whoa. Look at that. See, that's another way you could liven the plate up a little bit. So now we're going to plate this. Alright, let's see. Let's go ahead and plate this. Look at that. Right over that French toast. Right over it. There you go. See? Gives it that paste consistency. And now all you do, you just add your syrup and call it a day. Look at that. And of course, we're going with the sugar-free maple syrup. All right. It's a better option than the regular syrup. It's not going to kill you. I'm not going to add it in yet. So you could put in as much as you want or as little as you want. Up to you. But look at that. And there we have it. You can have this for breakfast, lunch, breakfast for dinner, whatever you want to do with it. Look at that. Got the turkey bacon. Got the French toast. Got the cooked down blueberries. Made its own little sauce. And then I'll add in the syrup after. But there you go. Quick one today, y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed this video today. And I'll be making some more cooking videos in the near future. All right, have a good one, y'all.